Did you know, here in Benidorm they have ripped out the complete interior of the brunch box right up here. And they're still very hard at work currently. Everything inside is gone and will be replaced with new furniture, I believe, new tiles and everything. We better let them to work. They still have quite a deadline to make. 9th of March they're going to be open again. The Brunch Box, one of the best breakfasts in Benidorm I've ever had. They really do a lot. Oh wait, I'll show you guys the sign up here. They do burgers, chicken and waffles, French toast, literally everything, English breakfast, everything you can imagine. And the quality is really, really good. Right here on the Avenida Mediterraneo. But I'm heading towards the strip now. Want to see the bars down there? It's beautiful weather out, around 20 degrees. Perfect day actually over here in Benidorm, especially it's still February. Awesome. Don't forget liking the video, really helps. Do subscribe as well. And I'm going to check out the strip. Is it busy during this regular, normal Tuesday? Anything going on? Are any bars in the sun already? Because with those buildings and the sun still being quite low, we'll probably see quite a difference with how much of an impact the sun has on a terrace out there. Let's go. First up, Waikiki Bar, still being renovated, getting ready for its big opening again. Will be soon. The glasses are in, chairs are being put up, new palm, parasols they have. Won't be long until that one is open. Can see a touring bus dropping off people from the airports. They're gonna have a beautiful week around here. Temperatures will go up towards 23, I believe, in the upcoming days. Awesome weather. And an awesome hotel to stay at, the Ambassador, right up here. I believe they're indoor spa, because currently most of the pools aren't heated and still too cold to swim in. It's only 19 euros or so for 2 hours. Their indoor pool and spa, really good. And at least you can have a swim in winter. Quiet on the street. John and Joss, a few people grabbing a bite. Got the wild duck. Still plastics hanging, not necessary anymore, no wind. Probably must be easy or so. Quickly gonna head on, because on the other side, there we've got the Western Saloon. They have rolled up the plastic curtains. Awesome atmosphere, let's have a closer look. Some of the drink prices up here, still really affordable, I think. Seen places where it's more expensive. Awesome to see that outside bar is open. Really sunny weather. Quickly head on towards the next one. Hotel California. A really nice one to sit at, quite full. Look at their prices, $10.50 for a bucket of sole. And the Crown. Lovely to sit at, have a drink, enjoy the sun. Not the busiest or anything, but just normal good weather. And then I've got a short update for you guys. Here we've got Insomnia, a big nightlife club. Has been closed all winter already. Finally they started doing work again. As you can see, inside is being made ready. All the glasses and drinks are up there on the bar. And outside they're building a new bar on the left, as you can see. Brand new one. It'll be awesome. And needed as well. Most of the bars you had to get inside, I believe. That new bar will do really well up there. Okay, let's head down, I think, towards Avenida Filipinas and then check out the left bit, how it is around there. Got a new temple bar, the Brit station and the beer garden or beer house. We have both, but always confuse those two. These ones, Rockefeller's open at night. Red Lion is open. Oh, they got a really good deal too. San Miguel, just €3. Pint of San Miguel. It's perfect for this weather. Okay, there we got the Brit station on the opposite, but I'm heading towards the left. Got the temple bar down there. This one used to be the Golden Dollar, I believe, from the Dollar Group. They also own the Silver Dollar, Red Door, Green Door, and they have opened the new bank club in the Rincon. Did a video of it last, what is it, Sunday, I believe. Yeah, daytime office. Still really affordable, prices haven't gone up. Great atmosphere inside, nice and quiet. Just having a nice drink out there in the sun or in the shade, what you prefer. Looks really fresh and everything, that sign and everything. Really nice. Got a supermarket, Florida, right up here. Really good pastries always. Hola! I'll have you guys a closer look. Let's go for it. Really delicious are those. Definitely recommend getting them. Later on, okay. Just going for the video now and then return later on the return trip. Because I definitely want to take some. Quite hungry. Thank you. Really friendly as well, those people in there. On the opposite, it's the beer garden, not the beer house, as I was confused with it. Then I'm gonna continue Brit Station. Always love those palm trees on the sides. There we go. Nice and crowded. This is their Six Nations live happy hour thing they have. Yeah, yay! Having a good time in Benidorm, guys?
Brilliant!
Yeah?
Brilliant!
Ah, good there. Hiya. Awesome atmosphere, nice and quiet, not the busiest. Bucket deals are really good value over here. $7.50 for a bucket of Amstel. Now this one is open always, it's never closed, at least the sign says. Rockies on the right, still closed, so no need to pass along there. Now I'm getting past the Rose and Crown. It's early, so probably not much of a crowd in. And nice to sit at. And there we have Amalia Apartments, at least the sign says. down there. Their pool is just next to it. You can see the short palm umbrellas above it, but it's currently in the shade, so no need to swim over there. That is what I meant. If your bar is in the shade or so, it would be really quiet down there. Up here, Queens and Arms getting restocked. Probably just open, and while they're restocking, why not open already for those few people coming in. Broadway on the left, it is open again. Not during daytime currently. That will happen probably in the summer more. But now they're open at night. It's all fresh again, all clean. The bull is back. Yeah, just normal. Then we're getting towards the former Zodiac. Don't know if this is going to keep the same name up here. Definitely lots of progress. High, the walls are high up. Busy at work. On the opposite we have Railway. Bit of the areas in the sun, and that is where the people are. And a bit further down the road. They're not at work somewhere anymore, at least I believe. That is the Marina Hotel. I think the new White Star bar is back open. Let's go and have a look. And I have heard that drink prices are quite high, so I hope to get a menu to show you guys. Or maybe it's all digital nowadays. Well, we'll see when I get closer there. It's all accessible again. This used to be completely blocked off. It is a bit down the road, but for now I could walk over here. Looks really nice. The overall atmosphere. It's pretty quiet. It's nice out there in the sun. They got a really big screen. And I have one further back down as well. I still have the same one there. This one is new. Okay, let's go and see if I can get a menu if I go up there. So maybe they're on the table, maybe they aren't. Seems like the entrance isn't quite finished. No entertainment currently. Much more open it is. Awesome atmosphere. Lovely to sit out here in the sun. Here we have a menu. Let's show you guys there. This is the food one. You can pause it if you want to have a closer look. And I believe this is for the drinks, yeah. It's quite high. At least 1,450. More than €1,000. Wow. So yeah, nice bar. Let's head down further on. Got Andy's. Really busy down there, but first let me show you guys the left. This one is in the shade. Planet Benidorm. Hardly anyone. And then we got this terrace. It's completely packed. Hiya. Really nice weather, but on the right you're better off currently. More sun, lovely to sit at. Probably on the left it's more popular in summer, as summers get really hot down here. I think then bars like the $1 Million will be more popular, because in the sun you're roasting away here in summer. Look down on the left, $1 Million really empty down there. But on the right, I'll show you guys the difference with it, of the Jumping Jacks bar. This one is completely packed. What an awesome atmosphere. Happy hour, 2 pints, €4. And the final bar we have down here, Rockstar always. Still a pint, €2. Quite some people order them. Yeah, short little walk down the strip today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Lovely weather out. Gonna stay like this for the upcoming days in the week. I'm quickly going towards Florida to get my pastries down there. Don't forget liking and do subscribe, please. And thank you all for watching.